motherfucker.
Yes, no, Chubby.
Don't do that, motherfucker.
We say yes, no, bro.
Don't do that, motherfucker.
Gebra, ne body yes.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Na yes, well,
don't do that, motherfucker.
What the 120 years now, na say for France, besine.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Who say yes ko India ko sua levitation?
Don't do that, motherfucker.
Who say yes ko Tibet e ko sua the magical art of healing?
Don't do that, motherfucker.
Do you know Jesus went to India?
Don't do that, motherfucker.
Do you know Jesus went to Egypt to learn the mysteries of the hidden arts?
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Church is just a formality. I sorry, you're just a formality.
Don't do that, motherfucker.
I don't attack Christians.
Don't do that, motherfucker.
I will never apologize for my actions.
Don't do that, motherfucker. What the fuck is wrong with you? I ain't playing. Don't do that no more.
All right, chill out, buddy.
Yo, shout out to Caesar, man.